Good evening everyone, I hope you are all doing well. In this video, I want to talk to you about something important. Today, I am not going to show you the step-by-step process of installing the Android Auto board in a Mini Cooper F series, specifically the F55 and F56 models. Instead, I want to focus on some key things you should pay attention to during the installation process. These are important tips and details that will help you make sure you do the installation correctly and avoid common mistakes. So, let us get started and take a closer look at what you need to watch out for when installing Android Auto in your Mini Cooper. So, this board is a Chinese board they sell on AliExpress, and the car's difference is that it has a Harman Kardon sound system. You see it? So, which means that here, its central, let's say, central processing unit is very different from the models that don't have the good sound system. So, for starters, we need to make sure. See here too. That it has some pins. You see them? So, in case your screen is large, only the last digit, let it focus to, only the last digit should be down and the others up. If the screen the car has is different, it's not the 8.8-inch one and it's smaller, then the combination changes. Anyway, there's a paper that shows you the pin combination depending on the screen you have. Make sure that before you change the pins, you unplug the unit from the power, so the unit has no power supply. Then you change the pins and then you connect it. If you change the pins while the unit has power, then you'll likely have to disconnect it and reconnect it to the power supply for the change to take effect. First, that's it. Second is that in order to have access and put this board inside, the first thing is that for the board to fit, this unit will come out. For this unit to come out, we have to remove the sides of the air conditioning. You see, we've disconnected it. It has clips on the edge. We put a screwdriver from the side and it pops out. I hadn't seen this written anywhere. We unscrew the screws that are here and here. We remove the side air vents. And once we've done that, we also disconnect these cables down here. Once, guys, we've disconnected the cables below and we've started. You have to connect it separately. If you don't connect this green cable the way I'll show you, then while the Android Auto unit will work, it won't show you consumption and fuel consumption and how many liters and kilometers you can still do on the main screen. Meaning the main screen won't read the consumption. That was my problem. I'll show you exactly what you need to do. This is the stock plug of the car that comes from the car. And this old plug used to go in there. This plug has two small wires here. It has two fiber cables on the edges, which I've removed. You take these out with a small screwdriver from the top side from right here. Again, there are these ones on the edge. You take them out with a screwdriver and place them in the new harness that came. See this green one? It's together with the black one below. So, you take them out of the car's old plug and put them in the exact same position in the new plug of the Android Auto harness. Now, this right here was their old position. And here, if you look, they've already been put into their new position. It's essential to do this if your car has a fiber optic cable. And I think this goes with their premium sound system. I'm not 100% sure. So once you've done that, you place the cables this side. Once you've done that, you place the cables, the side with the fiber optic. You place it here in the unit. And if you see there's a specific spot for these cables, and this side you place in the other position of the plug, well, as you can see, everything seems to be working. Initially, with Android Auto, you see that everything appears here. In case you haven't put in the fiber optics, all of this would be dots, as if it's not reading. Now it's reading. Android Auto is working normally. I hold the menu, Android Auto opens. So now, the final assembly is all that's left. I hope I helped, guys. All Mini owners of the F series generation who want to install Android Auto, good luck. Give it a subscribe too. Thanks.